What does light mean? Light refers to the portion of the electromagnetic spectrum that is visible to the human eye. It is a type of electromagnetic radiation that can be perceived by our eyes as different colors. Visible light typically ranges in wavelength from about 400 to 700 nanometers, and can be perceived in colors such as violet, blue, green, yellow, orange, and red. Light can come from a variety of sources. Natural sources of light include the sun, stars, and fire, while artificial sources include light bulbs, LEDs, and lasers. Light serves to transport energy, and is used for a wide variety of purposes in our daily lives, including vision, photography, illumination, and optical communication, among others. Let's talk about the speed of light now. Why can't we reach the speed of light right now? According to the current understanding of physics, it is not possible for an object with mass to travel at the speed of light or faster than it. This is because as an object approaches the speed of light, its mass increases and the amount of energy required to accelerate it further becomes infinite. This is known as the theory of relativity, which is one of the fundamental principles of modern physics. However, there are some hypothetical ways that have been proposed to approach the speed of light or travel faster than it. For example, the idea of using a hypothetical warp drive that would warp spacetime around a spaceship, allowing it to travel faster than the speed of light without violating the laws of physics. Another idea is the concept of wormholes, which are hypothetical tunnels through spacetime that could potentially allow for faster-than-light travel. However, these concepts are purely theoretical at this point and have not been proven to be possible in practice. In addition, the energy requirements and technical challenges associated with these ideas are currently beyond our current technological capabilities. Therefore, it is unlikely that we will be able to travel at or faster than the speed of light in the foreseeable future.